Hello, I am Teacher Rain, and I will show you how to transform quadratic equation in its standard form. But what is the standard form of the quadratic equation? The standard form of the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, a, b, and c are real numbers. So, ito yung mga numbers natin. Ang c, ang tawag dito sa ating c ay the constant term or simply the constant. Ang bx naman natin, since na ang tabing variable ng b natin ay x, so this is the linear term, and of course the ax squared will be the leading term since na quadratic equation naman ang pinag-aaralan natin. Now, pag magta-transform tayo ng quadratic equation into its standard form, dapat ang a natin palagi ay positive para magkaroon lang tayo ng the same answer or uniform answer. Basta tandaan lang natin yung standard form ng quadratic equation. We have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and yung a dapat natin ay positive. So, let's start. So, for example, number 1, we need to transform 4x is equal to x squared plus 3 in its standard form. So, meron tayong 4x is equal to x squared plus 3. Now, tignan natin yung number na nasa tabi ng x squared or the coefficient ng x squared. Since meron tayong positive 1 as RA, so hindi natin ililipat itong nasa right side of the equation. Ang itatranspose na lang natin itong nasa left side. So we have, kung itatranspose natin itong left side to the right side of the equation, since yung a naman natin ay positive, meron tayong 0 is equal to x squared plus 3. Then, yung positive 4x natin, pag nilipat natin siya at nadanan niya yung equal sign, magiging negative 4x. Since standard form ang pinag-uusapan, we have 0 is equal to x squared. Ayusin na lang natin ito, minus 4x plus 3. Or, pwede nyo naman pagbaligtarin na yung dalawang sides natin ng equation. X squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. And this is our standard form of 4x is equal to x squared plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, identify natin yung values ng ating a, b, and c. So, a now will become 1. b is negative 4. And c is positive 3. And that's how to transform example number 1. Second example, we have to transform 9x is equal to 3x squared in its standard form. So, copy lang natin yung given equation is equal to 3x squared. Okay, since yung a naman natin dito, yung tabi ng yung coefficient ng x squared natin ay positive 3, so itong nasa left side ang ipupunta natin dito sa right side. So, we have 0 is equal to 3x squared minus 9x. Okay, since wala naman tayong nakikitang constant, pwede nyo nang pagbaligtarin yung sides natin ng equation. So, we have 3x squared minus 9x is equal to 0. And this is the standard form of 9x is equal to 3x squared. So, identify natin yung mga values ng ating coefficients and constant. So, a is 3. Very good. Yung tabi ng x squared. Yung b naman natin ay negative 9. Since wala tayong nakikitang constant o yung c, so c will now become 0. So, that's the example number 2. Third example, we need to transform negative x squared is equal to negative 1 plus 3x in its standard form. Copyin lang natin yung given equation. Negative x squared is equal to negative 1 plus 3x. Now, as you can see that our coefficient of x squared is negative 1. Since negative 1 at dapat palaging a yung positive yung a natin, ito naman ang ililipat natin sa kanan o dun sa right side ng ating equation para magkaroon tayo ng positive value ng a. So we have 0 is equal to negative 1 plus 3x plus x squared. Since nagtranspose tayo ng negative x squared at nadaanan yung equal sign, magiging positive na yung ating x squared. Now, ayusin na lang natin itong nasa right side ng ating equation. So, 0 is equal to, mauuna yung leading term, susunod yung linear term, and the constant. Since naayos na natin, pwede nyo nang pagbaligtarin yung sides natin. X squared plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. And this is the standard form of negative x squared is equal to negative 1 plus 3x. Determine natin yung value ng a, b, and c. So, a is equal to 1. Since wala kayong nakikitang coefficient dito ng leading term natin or ng x squared, automatically meron tayong 1 dyan. So, b now is 3 and c is negative 1. Don't forget yung parang operation niya. And that's the third example. Last example for today's video. We need to transform negative 2 is equal to x minus x squared in its standard form. So, kopyahin natin yung given equation is equal to x negative minus x squared. Okay? Since ang coefficient o yung sign ng coefficient ng leading term natin ay negative or value ng a natin dito ay negative 1, so itong buong to ay pupunta natin sa left side of the equation para magkaroon tayo ng positive na a. So, we need to negative 2 is equal to, so itong x muna tayo. So, positive x, pag nilipat natin dun sa right side equation, we have negative x. Susunod, negative x squared naman. So, pag nilipat natin or transpose, we have positive x squared is equal to 0. Since tapos na natin na ilipat na lahat ng constant and ng terms doon sa isang side ng ating equation, ayusin na lang natin ito into standard form. So, unahin natin yung leading term, which is x squared minus x, which is the linear term, and the constant. And this is the standard form of the negative 2 is equal to x minus x squared. Okay? So, determine natin yung value ng a, b, and c. So, a now is 1. Automatically, may 1 dito. So, b is negative 1. Don't forget the minus sign. And c is equal to negative 2. So, that's how to transform equation in its standard form. Now, for your exercise, what is the standard form of 2x squared is equal to 5? In addition, what are the values of a, b, and c? So, pakilagay naman yung mga answer nyo sa comment box and tingnan natin kung sino yung nakakuha ng tama. That's all for today and thank you for listening. Happy learning and keep fighting!